In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to castle kingside in chess. Castling is a special move that improves your king's safety and brings a rook into the center of the action, all in one go. We're focusing on the kingside version, sometimes called short castling. Before you try it, you need to make sure a few conditions are met, otherwise the move won't be allowed, and the board will simply ignore your attempt. First, confirm that neither your king nor your kingside rook has moved earlier in the game. If either one has moved at any point, even if it moved back, castling on that side is off the table. Next, check that there are no pieces standing between your king and the kingside rook. For white, the squares between e1 and h1 are f1 and g1. For black, between e8 and h8, they're f8 and g8. Those squares must be completely empty. Your king also has to be safe both now and during the move. That means the king cannot currently be in check, and it cannot move through or land on a square that's attacked by an enemy piece. For white, the king would cross f1 and land on g1. For black, it would cross f8 and land on g8. If either of those squares is under attack, castling isn't allowed. Once those checks are out of the way, you're ready to initiate castling. You have two easy input options depending on your interface. The first is click and drag. Click your king and drag it 2 squares toward the kingside rook. For white, drag from e1 to g1. For black, from e8 to g8. The second is click click. Click your king once to select it, then click the destination square, g1 for white or g8 for black. When you do this correctly, the rook takes care of itself. It will automatically hop over the king and land on the square right next to it. For white, the rook moves to f1. For black, it moves to f8. You don't need to touch the rook at all. If the move is legal, the board will complete both pieces' movement in a single action. If the castling attempt doesn't work, don't panic. Just recheck the conditions. Make sure no piece is blocking the path, confirm the king and rook haven't moved earlier, and ensure the king isn't in check and won't cross an attacked square. With those boxes ticked, dragging the king 2 squares toward the rook or clicking the king in its destination square will perform a clean kingside castle every time.